Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, June 23rd, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we had a fantastic day today. I'm not used to this. This is fantastic. Yeah, we've been doing really pretty good lately. Today we actually closed out just over $10,000 in closed out trades, and we're carrying over $7,000 in open trade equity. That sounds to me like a $17,000 day. We haven't had very many of those recently, so I'm very happy about this. You look at the Dow chart here, and it's kind of interesting. You know, I was wrong about the Dow, but I said yesterday I'm calling it down, but I hope I'm wrong, and that's kind of what happened. The Dow shot up very powerfully here right at the beginning of the day, and of course that's very nice for us because it gets us out pretty nicely with some of the stuff that we're getting out at the beginning of the day. So this worked out really good. The Dow appeared to have taken out this resistance area that I talked about, and I thought it might really go, but then it backs off and settles down. It ended up closing out a kind of tepid plus 24 points. So I hate to sound like a broken record, but I'm going to call it down again tomorrow. Again, hey, I hope I'm wrong, but I really think this area that we're seeing up here is real tough, some real tough resistance, and we may have to see this stock or market retreat before we can penetrate this, and I don't know if it in fact can do that. But the only thing that I can say that I like is, even though the Dow is way up here in an area that has caused us a lot of problems in the past, we're doing really well. So that's encouraging too, and it also suggests that we don't have all these short sellers and profit takers up here, and this may indicate that the Dow is finally going to take off, make new highs, and really go. But hey, it's always a crapshoot. You never can be for sure know what's going to happen. Anyway, let's take a look. We had some really nice trades today. I'm just going to show you nice trades today because we really didn't have much that was frustrating. Even that one bad trade I showed you yesterday got better today, even though it was still a loss. Okay, let's start here and look at some of these great trades we had today. This first one is in GREK, G-R-E-K, and this, as I explained yesterday, is basically a stock measuring the economy in Greece, and we had bought this yesterday on the pop. It just kept going, and it actually gapped up this morning, so we got out of just a great trade out of GREK, $3,000 plus. And you look at this chart, we basically got the high of the that stock for the day. So very, very happy with GREK based on this trade we had today. Let's take a look at another one. Oh, now this is our friend Radius Health. Fantastic. We got into this yesterday, we got out today. Yeah, it wasn't the perfect place to get out, but we still took $3,000 out of Radius Health. But keep in mind, we just took a trade. We just took $12,000 out of Radius Health on our last trade that we exited only 2-3 days ago. So taking another $3,000 after that great trade is really fantastic. So Radius Health is really being good to us. Let's look at another one here. This is Sempra. By the way, we took a good trade out of Sempra just a day or two ago also. We're still in Sempra. We bought this yesterday in the late morning, and look what happened today. It just really exploded and did pull back just a tiny bit, but hey, you know, we're holding over $4,000 in Sempra. $4,000 open trade in this stock, and of course I'm just dying to take the profits here, but just hang on. Tomorrow's going to come and we'll be able to take our profits tomorrow. Looks real good. And then finally, but not last and not least, we have China Southern Airlines. Now, you know, this stock kind of drives me crazy. I know what's happening, but it trades in these gaps, you know, and then it doesn't really move in price during our trading hours. And of course what's happening is this thing's trading in China overnight, and then they open it up on the stock exchanges here in the United States, and it hardly moves. And so we get, like today, we get this very flat movement. But the nice thing is we had bought this thing yesterday, and this gap is entirely in our favor, and we're holding over $3,000 in open trade equity in China Southern Airlines. So this looks real good, and even though I complain about this flat trading that I see in these charts, the fact is this makes it very easy you know, in real-time trading to get out of this, because you know, you can put a limit order in there and just let it ride. You're going to get it filled eventually. So I tested China Southern Airlines, and hey, it's fantastic stock. So I'm definitely going to leave this in the portfolio. It looks real good. So $17,000 day, Trader Bob is happy, and I just hope that we can keep this up. I don't know what's going to happen with that crazy Dow that's just up there on the ceiling, but our stocks are performing. So that's the way it went on a great Tuesday, and I'm signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on